Yes, Charlie, let's go. So Charlie, women's fitness coach, maybe put online women's transformational coach, women's online coach. Profile picture is not bad. I like it. It's a little bit dark. Maybe we could zoom in a little bit more, maybe like from the waist up, because you know, you're looking, you're clear. Helping women drop dress sizes without giving up a cheeky chocky on the sofa. Is that like a cheeky chocolate bar or like hot chocolate? Like, I want some clarity on that. How many dress sizes? Let's get specific. How many dress sizes? Book a discovery call. All right, I think we can spice up this bio a lot more. I believe we sent you about 10 variations of this. Book a discovery call. Yeah, let's spice that up a bit. Let's check the link in your bio. Where does that lead me to? So 1 week Strength Diva program, request a discovery call. So let's just see what happens when I test this. All right, I'm not going to test it, but why not just have a Calendly? Just have a Calendly so someone can book a call with you straight. Then I'm not going to judge your content, but what I'm going to look at is the frequency of content. 6 days ago, 7 days ago, the 9th of January, 8th of January. So you haven't posted anything this week, but you were being relatively consistent in December. But the style, your types of content could do with maybe a little bit of like, we could clean this up a little bit. So there's quite a few things here to fix. The bases are there, but I think there's a few things we can fix to make this even better and optimized.